Ever wondered how a damaged tooth can regain its glory? Well, dental crowns might just be the knight in shining armor. A dental crown acts as a cap for your tooth, expertly crafted to fit over and protect it. They're pivotal when fillings fall short, offering a shield and restoring the original shape of teeth. Whether due to decay, injury, or wear, crowns keep your smile both functional and aesthetically pleasing. So, if restoring your tooth's former splendor sounds appealing, let's dive into how the dental crown procedure unfolds. The path to a regal smile begins with a few meticulous steps, each crucial for the crown's success. Step 1 involves an examination and preparation. Imagine stepping into the dental office, greeted by a calm environment, and a professional ready to guide you through your transformation. The dentist first conducts a thorough examination of your teeth to decide if a crown is necessary and which type of crown is best suited for your needs. If a crown is needed, the real artistry begins. The tooth in question is reshaped, carefully sculpted to provide a solid base for the crown. This might mean reducing the tooth size or building it up, ensuring the crown will fit seamlessly. Moving on to step 2, creating an impression. This is where precision meets technology. Once your tooth is prepped, an accurate impression of your mouth is taken. This can be done using traditional dental putty that captures every contour, or more likely in modern practices, through advanced digital scans. These scans are not only quicker but enhance comfort by avoiding the discomfort of traditional methods. This impression is crucial as it serves as the blueprint for crafting your crown, ensuring it will align perfectly with your bite and adjacent teeth. The third step is the placement of a temporary crown. This is not merely a placeholder, it is a vital part of the process. Made from a softer material, the temporary crown protects the reshaped tooth, preventing damage and maintaining the aesthetics of your smile, while your permanent crown is being meticulously crafted in a dental lab. Finally, we arrive at step 4, the placement of the permanent crown. This is the moment of transformation. During your final visit, the dentist fits the permanent crown, making fine adjustments to ensure the fit is precise and comfortable. The crown is then cemented into place, instantly enhancing the tooth's function and appearance. Each step is carefully executed to ensure that not only does the crown fit perfectly, but it also aesthetically blends with your natural teeth. Now that we've walked through the steps, you're practically a dental crown connoisseur. Let's quickly recap. The journey begins with a thorough examination followed by taking an impression of your tooth. Next, a temporary crown is fitted to protect the tooth, while your permanent crown is crafted. Finally, the permanent crown is meticulously placed, ensuring a seamless fit. Dental crowns not only protect, but also enhance the functionality and appearance of your teeth. Remember, a crown isn't just about looks, it's about preserving and enhancing the health of your smile. Consult your dentist to see if it's the right choice for you.